Hi everyone, Trina here, back with another mixed media art video. Today I'm going to be working in a new 5x5 sketchbook. I'm just going to work on one little page over here and do some watercolors and see where that leads us. Let's get started. So to start off, I'm going to put down just a layer of water. My brush is a little dirty, but I hope you can see what I'm doing here. And then I'm going to come in with, I'm using the Derwent set today. I'm going to come in with a little bit of Payne's Gray and a little bit of this other blue, which is more like an indigo blue. Just going to create a little wash, and we're just going to lay down some layers. Trying a little wet on wet today, see how that works out. I hope you guys have been having a good week. I've been really busy, so that's why I haven't made a video in a while. But I thought it was time to get back on. Let's take our palette knife and make some marks through here. This paper is I got this off Amazon, so I'll leave the link in the description for you guys. Kind of like this idea of working square. Let's add a little bit more of that color. Just a little bit. That might be too much, actually. I'm going to come in with my color shaper a little bit. Oh, maybe actually. Let's try this guy. Ooh, I kind of like those marks. I'm coming with this sort of gray-blue color just to put through here. Some wispies. I'm going to come in with a little bit of this port color from the Line and Wash set. One of my new favorite colors I really like. I'm going to pull that down. I'm just going to add a little bit more of this brown color through here too. And I kind of like this effect with the this wedge tool here. Okay, I'm gonna let this dry and then we'll come back and do some more. So I'm gonna come in with this stencil here. And we're just gonna lay down some texture through here, kind of over top of it. Ooh, that's fun. I like that. It's not as distinct as I was hoping it was going to be, but I don't hate it. I kind of like it, actually. I think I want a bit more of that port color through here. I think that works. Let's just add a little contrast. Maybe it needs to come down, maybe a little bit down here too. Let's get a little more water in there. Okay, I mixed up a bit of the orange from the Desert Schmincke set. And I'm going to add a little bit of the Aquapasto in, so we can make some bolder marks through here. And this is just a thickening agent, and it also slows down drying time a little bit. But it also gives you the idea, still maintaining the transparency by being able to add colors over. And we're still going to get that lovely transparency through there, but We're also going to be able to move it around a little bit. Okay, I'm just going to come back in, scrape away a little bit. Might have gotten too dark too quickly. You can kind of see what's going on there. Yeah, I think it got too dark a little too quickly. It's really subtle, but I like it. I think I also want to put just a little bit through here. I think that really brings it together nicely. You can see how just a little thicker, and then you can get some really cool marks through here. Just by scraping back into it, which is the thing that I've been loving about it. Why I'm a little obsessed. This is the Inktense Baked Earth. I thought would be fun to put some lines like right just through here a little bit. So I think it kind of mimics that color that we've got going on there. The Inktense, when wet, will dry. They are water soluble, so you can get them wet. And they are permanent when they are dry after being wet. But not permanent if you don't wet them down. They can be reactivated. So you kind of have to think about how you're going to use these. I think I want that to come down just a little bit. But I like the little pops of color that you can get. It's pretty subtle. It's not overbearing, but I think I want some more. You see me use the... Oh, I think our line's going to be that today, I think. Usually I do a blue line, but I think I like this orange line even better. That really does something, doesn't it? I like it. Okay, so I got a sheet of deli paper here, and I'm just going to put down some, these are the Mungyo oil pastels. These are water soluble as well. And I'm just going to put this down so that we can make some marks that kind of mimic what we got going there. So I think these colors are pretty similar. And this is just a different way to use pastels to make thinner lines and more detailed work. This is the raw sienna. So let's get our palette knife out. Oh, let me get sorted here, sorry. I think I just want to do some marks through here. And I like these scribbly marks. That's very light. You cannot see that. Interesting. I thought that would be a little, maybe it's too close to the color that we have. Yeah, we might need a brighter color maybe. Let me try with, let's see what happens if we use this instead. Okay, it's making a little bit of a mark through there. Not quite the bold mark that I want it to be, but I think you can kind of see it there. We need something a little bit brighter through there, don't you think? Okay, let's find another color. Okay, I've got this vermilion color that I've used before. It's pretty bright, but I want something that's going to be distinctive. And maybe we don't need as many lines as we normally make. I'm going to use the stylus. I'm just going to put some marks through here. Let's just start with a few. Let's see if this is going to be too bright. I don't think it's too bright. And I think I want to bring some over this way. Yeah, I kind of like that. And then we might need some black lines, I think, as well. I'm going to use a palette knife for this one. And I kind of want it just to come up through here. And then some through here. It needs to be longer, maybe. Oh, got a little carried away there. Oops. Might need, actually, let's come in with a little bit of the side of this. We'll make some darker marks. I kind of like those little spots of dark. Oops, got too aggressive there. Okay. Okay, here's kind of what it looks like with the mat, with our little adjustable mat that we've been playing with. I kind of like that too. I like working in the square format, so we're going to continue on with that. It also will allow me to make little shorter videos instead of longer videos. I think people really like the shorter, like 10-minute videos. I really like these colors through here. This color combination is really satisfying to me. I really like this ochre line that we put through here. I think that's really nice. I'm kind of didn't get a lot with the Aquapasto on this paper. It seems like it's maybe more absorbent, and it didn't kind of react the way that it normally does, which is fine. So the Inktense, definitely going to use those a little bit more because we got a lot of colors in those. I'm kind of just trying to bring back a little bit more drawing over the painting, which I think is kind of where my interest is lying right now. I will tell you that last night I was watching, or I was on Instagram, and I saw a ad for some new Schmincke watercolors that I don't have, and so I ordered a couple of sets. So they're going to be really fun and in this tone of earth tones, natural tones. So they'll be here on Monday. So until then, we're going to keep doing one of these, hopefully one a day. I'm going to try to do one every day because I can do them quicker and I have time to make them. So let's fill up the sketchbook and have some fun. Okay, I'll see you soon with a new video. Thanks so much. Bye.